All these fireworks are from the Abundant Life Foursquare Church. Alright, so this is going to be the starting rack right there, and it'll go with some quick fuse, and then we'll do this board, which is mostly whistlers and the blue craze fountains, then a set of tubes with festival balls and a couple of double breaks, then some more festival balls mixed with double breaks, and that's on a quick fuse, and then goes down to a slow fuse, and this rack of 12 will go off. And this is again a mixture of festival balls and artillery shells. And then we come to the middle board. That middle board is going to have, going to start off with the magical hunter shot, and some flak fires, some TNT whistlers, and then 2 war chests. And then that'll feed over to another rack with a mixture of festival balls and double breaks, and then a double rack that is set up to go with artillery shells and double breaks and whatnot. Then we got the starting of the finale board, and that'll be 2 magic hunter shots, a TNT, some more blue crazes, some flak fires, a war chest, and then a corrupt. And then that corrupt, after the corrupt goes, then we'll do this rack that is set up with triple breaks, double breaks, and awesomes, and it's set up with quick fuse, so it should go right down or back and forth down the rows here, fanning left to right and right to left as it goes. So it should be a good show. All total, it's probably 25 feet worth of fireworks set up in the garden, and we'll see how it looks tonight.